everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to delete property on booking.com. To delete property on booking.com, you could follow these steps. First thing first, go and log into your booking.com account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which will look something like this. So here you want to tap on the tab bar icon. Go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon, and you could go ahead and click on properties. When you actually click on the property, there you could go ahead and delete the property that you don't want it. So likewise, what else you could also do is, or you could also go ahead and contact the support team, and you have to verify as well at the same time, so get the email and all that. So this way you should be able to delete your property on booking.com. So you could follow the steps, and if this is not a helpful way, then you could contact the support team, let them know about it. They should be able to help you out in this matter. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.